yung parent na gustong i-enroll sa isang swimming school ang aking anak, ano ang dapat kong malaman para hindi ako kakabahan? Go ahead po.
Okay. Ang importante is you research kung yung background po ng swim school. Are they known to teach infant and toddler swimming? Kilala ba sila in handling these kinds of program? Kasi ang mga teachers namin, hindi lang kami, kaya very selected lang yung venues namin na nag-o-offer ng infant and toddler swimming kasi pinipili po namin yung instructor na magtuturo ng infant and toddler. Sila po yung, kumbaga, chosen ang mga instructors because we want to make sure that the child is safe. The child is gonna be handled well by the instructor. Kaya very few lang ang meron kami dito. So one of the things that we have to know is, are they trained? Are the instructors trained well? And marunong ba silang magbasa ng bata? And then the years of experience ng swim school at teacher sa pagtuturo ng infant and toddler.